Hello everyone, this is from Assist Hub and welcome to another video. In this video today we will talk about WordPress cPanel and how we can create subdomains in the cPanel and install WordPress into it. So it's a really simple, easy process and I want to show you how you can do this. So if you have a cPanel and a domain and you really don't know how to create subdomains and how to install WordPress into this subdomain, then this video will help you do it that way. We will go ahead and start by creating the subdomain in our cPanel, and then we will create a subdirectory for our subdomain, and after that we will go ahead and use the automatic installation of WordPress using the software that we have in our cPanel. And in the upcoming videos also we will talk about how we can install the WordPress manually into our main domain and in our subdomain as well. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then make sure you have subscribed and click the bell icon so that you will get notification whenever we upload that video into our channel. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to log into my cPanel. So I have my cPanel inside this domain called Assist Hub. Here it is, assisthub.com. Okay, and I assume that you already have the cPanel with you right now. So let's go and get logged into your cPanel dashboard. And once you are logged into the cPanel dashboard, you can see all these sections right here. See, you can see we have the email, we have the files and the SEO and marketing tools, database, but we are looking for domains. Okay, so this is our domains. You can also search it here in our domains. You can, and you see, so we will go to the subdomains. Okay, that is where we are going. Okay, so we are in there. So here I will have to give the subdomain the name that I want to use with the subdomain. So for this tutorial, I will name this tutorials. Okay, so tutorials. Okay, and then here you need to select the domain that you will be using. Okay, so I will select Access Hub because that's the domain that I have on this cPanel right now. And then you need to click on this, and then it will give you a subdirectory called tutorial.access.com. So all that you need to do is to click on create. Okay, so you just have to wait for some time. So it says success tutorial.access.com has been created. So we will copy this, okay, into our browser. Okay, okay, Control C. Okay, so we've successfully created our subdomain. Okay, we have successfully created our subdomain, as you can see right here. Okay, so we are just trying to check our subdomain that we created, and this is it. Okay, so actually it will give us a denial and error because we haven't started anything here. You see, do not upload. If this account is new, then you are seeing the message because you haven't uploaded any files or index file. So what we have to do right now is to install WordPress onto this subdomain. Okay, so To get back to your main dashboard, you can click on this little icon here called home, and then it will take you right there. Okay, so here we are. So we have to scroll down, okay, and go to go to this Softaculous apps installer. Okay, so this is the Softaculous apps installer. So we will need to click on WordPress. Okay, so we are going to do what we are going to do right now is you are going to install the WordPress onto our subdomain. Okay, onto our subdomain. Okay, so now here we are. So what we have to do is to click on install now. Okay, actually I don't know what's happening. My network is a little bit slower today, so I don't actually know why it's happening that way. So what we have to do is to click on the install now. Okay, and what we have to do is to choose the domain that we will be installing this WordPress onto. So here I will choose tutorials.6. Okay, because that is the subdomain that we just created. So we want to install WordPress dash onto that subdomain. Okay, so you choose the subdomain or the domain that you want to install WordPress, and make sure this one is also HTTPS. Okay, HTTPS, not HTTP or any other thing. Okay, and then you can choose the version. Okay, so we will go with the latest version, which is 6.0. And then here you can give your site the name, any name that you want to. It depends on you. Okay, so I will leave it the way it is, my blog. And then here you need to change the admin name, or you can keep it the way that you want it to be. Okay, so I will choose the ad. Okay, so you can change the name and name anything. I'll name it admin. And the password, you can change the password. It depends on you. Okay, so so this is my password. Okay, let me hide it. Okay, so with the email, okay, you need to provide an email account that you have access to. Okay, so that when you forgot your password, you can be able to recover your password. So I will leave it the way it is. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me change it. Okay. I'll do it this way. Okay. So from here, we will leave anything just as it is right here, and okay. So so you will need to change. Select the language. For me, I'll be using English, so English is, and then I'll leave everything as it is now, and then click on install. Okay. So never. Okay, so it's installing the WordPress onto our subdomain. Okay, it says congratulations, the software has been successfully installed, and here it gives you all the information that you need. Okay, so let's check if our WordPress is really installed onto our subdomain. So let's do. Okay, so it's WordPress has been installed onto our subdomain. Okay, so now we have WordPress in our subdomain. Okay, let's check this one too and see if we have really installed WordPress onto our subdomain. Okay, so you see we have really installed WordPress onto our subdomain, and that's cool and that's great. Okay, so we are finally able to create a subdomain and also install WordPress onto our subdomain. Okay, so actually this is how it is done. Okay, this is how it done. So I hope you learned something from this video, and if you didn't, forget to like and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next tutorial video. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.